Oh, that's clever.
Well, we're going to have to stop now. Nanny wants to come out and make the tea. Just see if we can bounce it off her head. Well guys, another one of Mahir Origami is the name he's using at the moment. Mahir Origami. Used to be World of Planes and Mahir Cave. He's used a couple of names for his channel, but he started doing them again. This one, it flies particularly well, but that makes me want to throw it harder. If I throw it harder, it climbs and hits the ceiling and hits everything. I really have to throw it very gently to get a decent flight within my kitchen area. And I failed to hit the camera. I've gone either side of it, but I haven't hit the camera. But I've got to stop now because Nanny's waiting to make the tea. I actually started this yesterday and the camera crashed when I was filming, so I gave up. Took it as a sign. My Samsung Galaxy A51 5G is being a real pain and it's crashing regularly. So, well, I'm sticking with it at the moment because the upgrade I tried didn't have any extra memory facility, and I've got extra memory in this one so I can do lots of filming. Anyway, that's a side issue. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.